There are 60 seats in the Manipur Assembly, 19 are reserved for tribals and 1 for scheduled castes. In 2022, BJP under CM N. Biren Singh is in formal alliance with the two principal regional parties, the Naga People's Front NPF and the National People's Party, colloquially the NPP, formally the NPEP. On the other side is the Congress, largely alone and still unable to come to terms with BJP's spectacular surge from nowhere in 2017. Three maps of 2012 and 2017 Assembly election and 2019 general election show how fortunes have shifted in the past decade. Note how BJP's 2017 victory is concentrated in the plains and how NPF swept the hills in 2019. Congress's vote share has fallen to below 30% in a number of plain seats and below 20% in some in 2017. An increasingly bipolar contest, plus numerous pockets where other parties and independents can win, means that BJP may not expect any great increase in its vote share from 36% it got in 2017. That is why it has tied up with the NPF and NPEP. Both parties bring a solid vote base to the table in a dozen seats each. The Naga party won 4 reserved seats in 2017. It has a good presence in 4 more, enough to influence the verdict in BJP's favor, and a marginal presence in 3, which might become important in close contests. The NPEP won 4 seats in 2017, 2 general and 2 tribal. Additionally, it has a good presence in 6 seats, it came second in 2, and a marginal presence in 6 more. Vote transfer between BJP, NPF and NPEP should take place efficiently and profitably. Thus, in conclusion, the higher profitability is that BJP-led alliance would receive a renewed, enhanced mandate in Manipur this time.